What if the Soviet Union still existed when COVID-19 struck the world? In our timeline, COVID-19 spread globally in 2020, but in this alternate reality, the Soviet Union never collapsed in 1991. The Soviet response to the pandemic would likely have been drastically different from what we saw in post-Soviet Russia and other former republics. Soviet leadership would likely have implemented immediate, severe lockdowns across all 15 republics, enforced by the military and KGB with little regard for individual freedoms. The centralized Soviet healthcare system, despite its flaws, could have rapidly mobilized thousands of doctors and converted factories to produce medical equipment without market constraints. Soviet scientists, working under immense pressure from the Kremlin, might have developed their own vaccine at an accelerated pace, potentially cutting corners on safety to beat the West. Information about infection rates and deaths would have been tightly controlled by state media, with potential underreporting to maintain the image of Soviet superiority. The closed nature of Soviet society might have initially slowed virus spread compared to open Western countries, giving their scientists valuable time to study the disease. Soviet propaganda would have weaponized the pandemic, claiming capitalist countries' profit-driven healthcare systems were failing their citizens, while socialism protected the people. The black market would have thrived as citizens sought Western medicines and supplies, creating a shadow economy that undermined official Soviet pandemic response. Economic impacts would have been severe but different, with the command economy able to redirect resources quickly, but struggling with innovation and adaptation in the long term. Geopolitically, the pandemic might have accelerated Cold War tensions, with vaccine development becoming another space race-like competition between East and West. Would a Soviet response to COVID have saved more lives behind the Iron Curtain, or would the lack of transparency have made things worse? Like and subscribe to explore more alternate history scenarios that reshape our understanding of the present.